Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing these NORTHYARD 90% polyester athletic shorts that I just received. Something that I really like about the shorts is that there is drawstring, so you could adjust this to your weight. There is different colors, different fit types. There is a 5-inch shorts, there's 7-inch and 9-inch, so I did get the 5-inch ones. There is zippers on both sides, on the right side and the left side, which is really nice. When I'm going on runs, playing basketball with my friends, I could put my phone in my pocket, my wallet, my keys, and I could just zip it up. In the back, there is also a zipper pocket. And something that I really like about these shorts is that there is reflective details on the back and then on the front too. And now I'm gonna show you what these shorts look like when I put them on. These are what the shorts look like when I do put them on. You can see the reflective details on the front and the back right next to the zip up. Obviously it is zip up shorts on both sides. So I just put my phone, my wallet, my keys in my pocket usually, and then I go on about my day. Nothing falls out of my pockets, which is really nice. I would recommend this to anyone that likes going on runs, playing sports, or you just don't want to lose any of your belongings and they're super comfortable.